selfless heart is in my prayers. Made a cold heart soft, broke through some layers. I've seen all the worst sides. It was toxic at the good times. Now I'm chilling with my shorty in paradise, cruising down the interstate on a late night. So much love, so much care. Someone I trust when I ain't there. Someone I'd be there for anyway. Yes, I can say I swear I found love in you. Please don't waste my time. Try to work this out. I done broke my spine. For you, only for you, for you. We done said forever till the end. Just a few more years till you wear that dress. Just a few more years till I pick best man with a big right rock on your left hand. Hey, you the one I care for. You the one I kill for. You the one I said forever. With you I'll be careful. You the one I care for. You the one I kill for. You the one I said forever. With you I'll be careful.
I'm taking the world to see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Let's do give me a loyalty. 'Cause I'm taking the world to see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me
what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they're really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. I'll give my life for that. Put all my trust into my dogs, who we stepping at. Wanna make it out the trap, I really know it takes some time. Yeah, I said who down the slide, trying to keep my moves quiet. Know them ops gon' find the time, yeah. I said it's fuck the other side, yeah. My brother really stepping, we don't care what all they find. We gon' keep our lips shut, I done pulled that every time. All these birds in my pocket got me dreaming of me dying. Inhale, exhale, we feel the burn in our chest. The same type of burn we feel when we be up in the tech. I really let them hollow tips burn right through your neck. Them disrespectful little hoes is really getting they dome check. Swear that I don't even got no time to myself. It really seems like I should drop out, fuck all the hell. I know this shit can change my life, yes, fuck how they feel. They don't understand the moves, but now I keep it concealed, yeah. Out of my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they're really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. Mentally exhausted, ever since I started, we all bleed the same blood, and that's some shit you better not forget. Losing touch from typing these messages to my conscience. Need to keep back into my heart from when I tossed it. You found it, then ripped it up, tore that shit to pieces. So I never trust a single word that I've been hearing. Next time I know this thing closed off in appearance, but how am I gonna cope with all the ways that I've been feeling? Baby, heal this wicked pain that's inside of my chest. It's really fucking up my breathing. No, it's filling me with stress. Shawty help me with my feelings. Tired of the antidepressants and all this shit got me singing. Out of my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they're really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. Sunrise, crazy shit been on my mind. I know that I can get over it, just give me some time. But look, I'm trying to hit the brakes, trying to feel my mind. Your eyes, look at me, I'm alright. Think about the memories of us just standing outside, trying to live a life, trying to live it until we die. Never realize lies, all the demons in your life. Never thought you would go and commit suicide. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with me? Why the fuck you ain't take a step back and let me fucking breathe? Did you really have to hurt me? Put me 10 feet underneath. Look right into my eyes and tell me you believe that all is about. Shit for the clout, devil's mad at all the sense. Yeah, he's trying to get out. I don't know if I can scream because his voice is too loud. I don't know if I can leave because I'm trapped in this house.
Lại đây.
Baby, you don't need no one else. Feeling what I felt. I don't know if I'm in heaven or if this is really hell. I'm having trouble listening, baby. I think I need help. You can treat me like I'm garbage, but I'm already in hell. Sunrise, some crazy shit been on my mind. I know that I will get over it, just give me some time. I know I'm trying to hit the brakes, try to flatline. Stuck in my mind. Where the fuck was I supposed to go when I was lost in time? What the fuck was I supposed to do when I knew you were mine? I never lost hope, but then I realized I'm nothing but a joke through your eyes. Yeah, what am I gonna do when I can't live my life with you? Gonna live in defiance, I'm defying all of my youth. I don't know if I can fight it, but I'll fight my way to you. And I guess I cannot hide it, cause I'm hiding here with you. Tell myself I'm alright, leading to the sunrise. Here inside our own minds. And when we lose into focus, we never thought we would. All of our feelings, emotions that we can't hide. We show we know that it's too hard to live like we're these broken hearts. I tell myself I'm alright. See you there so
Alright, mister, what do you think?
tryna fuck my head, take away all of my bread. Say that you will leave me dead. Say that I ain't really there when I'm always fucking there. Why you even still here, girl? You never even cared. I don't even want you. Get the fuck up off my chair.